Hey guys, in this video I made this 3D printed modern desk lamp that is controlled by a smartphone. STL files I'll be giving in the description. These are the settings I used when I sliced the models. I will be using wooden PLA filament to print the parts. The type of LED strip I'm using here is called ARGB or WS2812B LED strip. You can use wemos D1 Mini or nodemcu for controlling the LED strip. Follow this simple step to upload the code to either wemos D1 Mini or nodemcu. I got these neodymium magnets from my old DVD drive writer. To diffuse the light, I will be using strips of white paper. To control the colors or pattern, all you have to do is connect this lamp to any USB power source. Turn on Wi-Fi on your phone and connect to the WLED network. and you will get a panel to control the color and effects of this LED strip. That was all about this modern desk lamp project. Hope you enjoyed this idea. Thank you for watching.